Hi guys, in this video, I'll teach you how to add social media icons to your Shopify website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description down below. That's going to take you to this page right here. And the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and hover over widgets and then go under social right here, and all the way down here we have the social media icons. So just go ahead and click there. From here, click on the big pink button right here. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's the closest to what you're looking for now. For this demo, I will go ahead with this option right here. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. From here, you can go ahead and add your socials by clicking on the three small dots here. So if you, for example, want to add Facebook, go ahead and click right here and click on edit. And then you simply need to go ahead and add your Facebook URL. And the process is the exact same thing if you want to do it for Twitter, Instagram, or even YouTube. You can also go ahead and click on add icon right here. That gives you the option to choose from a lot of different social media platforms as well to add. Next up, you can go ahead and click on layout on the left hand side right here. From here, you can change settings like the icon size, the location of the widget on your website, and the position. Right now it's set to 32 pixels, but you can increase the size by choosing a bigger option like 60 pixels, for example. I'm gonna go ahead and stick to 40 in my case. And then you can choose the position. Right now it's set to the bottom, but you can also go ahead and choose left or right. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and choose the left hand side here, and then my icons are going to be out on the left hand side where the people are at the top or bottom on my website. Lastly, you can go ahead and click on style on the left hand side. From here, you can choose a different style for the icon. So right now we have this very plain option here, but when you go ahead and scroll, you can see we have options with a shadow. So you can see it applies it here, and we have options like this. I'm not really sure what the actual difference is here. And here's kind of 3D, so you can go ahead and choose whatever you like for your website. Aside from that, you can also go down here at the very bottom where you can change something like colors, icon shape, animation, and more. If you go ahead and click on colors, then you have the option to change something like icon color, background color, icon color and hover, and background color and hover. So as an example, when I hover over one of these options right here, you can see it changes color to white, and it kind of swaps the color. You can see that the black part becomes white and the white part becomes black. And again here for Instagram. If you want to change this, for example, if you want to make the white in Facebook black, you can go ahead and change it to black up here, for example, and it applies to all of them. Aside from that, you can also change the shape of the icons if you like to. Right now it's set to circle, but you can do rounded or you can do a square. I'm not going to cover every single setting, but you have lots of different options here to customize it to your liking. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking the gray select button right here. And once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website builder. Once you're on your Shopify page, simply go ahead on the midsection of your website and then go ahead and click on Add Section on the left hand side. From here, scroll down until you see Layout and Custom Liquid and click. That's going to open up a pop-up on the right hand side as you can see right here. And now we just need to insert the code we just copied, and you can do that by clicking here and then click Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-clicking and clicking on Paste and then just click away. And as you can see over here, we now have social media icons on our Shopify website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.